Good afternoon, everyone. We are members of Group 9. Our group members are Tiffon Young, Ashaka Freitas, Alicia De Silva, and yours truly, Shanice Fordyce. Today we will be looking at models that can be found in a science kit. They are wind vane, beam balance, wind socks, test tube holders, and the solar system. But today we will be specifically looking at the solar system.
The first thing we have a test tube holder. The test tube holder, as the name suggests, is used to hold test tubes. Test tube holders and test tubes can be used in lessons regarding separation and mixture of separation of fluids and solids.
So the wind vane is used to measure the direction of which the wind is blowing. It is used to predict the intensity of storms. It is used in disaster management to protect people from strong winds. It helps to predict weather reports. It is one of the simplest weather instruments created, and it has been used since ancient days. Data from wind vane can be used to calculate average wind direction and fluctuation during specific periods. Knowing the direction in which the wind is blowing is important for meteorology. It provides information about storms, about storm system, and what we can be expected. It can also be used in social studies to teach wind speed. Like, for example, we have when the peak is pointing in this direction, the wind is blowing in the north direction.
A wind sock or wind cone is a conical textile tool that resembles a giant sock. Wind socks can be used as a basic guide to wind direction and speed. At many airports, wind socks are lit at night, either by floodlights on top surrounding it or with one mounted on the pole shining inside it.
This is a beam balance. A beam balance is a device used for determination of the mass of a body under gravitation. So, gravity pulls things down. So when you put the coin in the cup here, good day, boys and girls. How are you doing today?
I'm good, miss.
I'm good as well. So today we have an exciting topic for us to do. So before we get into this topic, I will be playing a video, and I want you to sit back, relax, and pay keen attention to this video, because when we're finished, I will be asking you questions. Video time.
They say our solar system is centered round the sun. 9 planets large and small parading by. But somewhere out in space, there's another shining face that you might see some night up in the sky. Interplanet Janet, she's a galaxy girl. The solar system is from a future world. She travels like a rocket with her comet team, and there's never been a planet Janet hasn't seen. No, there's never been a planet Janet hasn't seen. She's been to the sun, it's a lot of fun. It's a hot spot, it's a gas. Hydrogen and helium in a big bright glowing mass. It's a star, it's a star. So Janet got an autograph. Mercury was near the sun, so Janet stopped by. But the mercury on Mercury was much too high. So Janet split for Venus, but on Venus she found she couldn't see a thing for all the clouds around. Earth looked exciting, kinda green and inviting, so Janet thought she'd give it a go. But the creatures on that planet looked so very
exciting video?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so what did you learn from that video?
Planets, miss.
Yes, planets, but what about planets?
Solar system, miss.
Yes, today's topic is solar system.
Okay, boys and girls. Now, from that exciting video, who can tell me what a solar system is? Or what do you think is a solar system? Show by raise of hands. Anyone? Anyone? You, Roger, Stan, from the video that you just saw, what can you tell me about a solar system? It has a sun. Excellent, give him a clap. The solar system has a sun. It has a what? A sun. That's an excellent observation. Sit. What else can we gather from that video? From the video we watched just now, what do we know about the solar system? Sarah, Stan. It has a, I'm not hearing you. It has planets. What does it have, class? It has planets. Excellent. Sit. A solar system has sun and it has planets. Now, interestingly enough, the term solar system, the word solar means sun. What does the word solar mean? What does the word solar means? Solar means sun. So automatically, when we say solar system, we know that we're talking about something to do with the sun, right? Excellent. Now from that video, who can tell me in total what's a solar system? Not that we know that solar means sun. Not you again, Roger. Jessica. Yes, Stan. Sun system. Excellent attempt. Give her a clap. A sun system, right? Now, we will look at the definition of a solar system. Are you ready, class? So, class, what are we doing today? We're looking at the solar system. What does solar mean, class? Solar means sun. Okay, so let's look at the definition. Let us read together. 1, 2. The solar system is the collection of the 9 planets. The what? 9 planets that orbit around the sun. What do we orbit around? The sun. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Let us go that over again. Let us read together. 1, 2. The solar system is the collection of the 9 planets. Collection of the what? 9 planets that orbit around the sun. What does it do around the sun? Orbit around the sun. Who can tell me what the word orbit means? Show by raise of hands. Nobody want to try. What's your name? Sandra. Stand, yes. Stand on the sun. Good attempt, but not quite correct. Orbit means to go around, to circle. Right now, I am orbiting this table. What am I doing? Orbiting the table. The 9 planets in the solar system, the 9 planets orbit around the sun. What do? Orbit. So when I say orbit, what do? They go around. Everybody show me with your fingers. Show me orbit. Orbit your fingers. Excellent. That's what they do. They go around the sun. These are the 9 planets. And what are they doing, class? What are they doing? They are going around the sun. Do you notice that, class? Okay, now let's go over the planets. The planets are Mercury. What is the first planet? Mercury. Now, Mercury, I want you to pay attention. Have you ever heard of the planet Mercury? No? Nobody's never heard of the planet Mercury? Now, here on this model here, pay close attention. There's a small planet right next to the sun. It is the closest planet to the sun. Now, we all know that the sun is very hot. The sun is very what? Hot. So, how do you think the temperature of this planet is? It is very hot. Can we live on Mercury, class? No. What will happen? What will happen? We will burn up. So Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. The second planet we have here is Venus. What is the second planet? Venus. Venus is the second planet away from the sun. Here we have Venus. Is everyone seeing Venus? Excellent. This planet is the second planet away from the sun. So is it hot or cold, class? Very hot. It is a hot planet indeed. The third planet we have here is Earth. What is the third planet, class? Earth. No. Class, have you ever heard of the word Earth? Yes, sir. What is the Earth? Intelligent students, give yourself a clap. We live on the Earth. So Earth is a what? Earth is a planet. Earth is a planet and it's the third planet away from the sun. So we live on the Earth. We live on planet Earth, and we can see the planet is very blue. Why? Because of the water. The fourth planet is Mars. What is the fourth planet, class? Mars. Mars is the red planet. Why do you think it's called a red planet? Because it is red. The fifth planet we have is Jupiter. Boys go to Jupiter to get more. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. What is it, class? Can you show me the largest planet here? Which one? This one? This one? This one? Excellent. This planet, the name of this planet is Jupiter. Now, we will go to the sixth planet. It is the prettiest planet here in the solar system. It has rings. Can anyone identify this planet here? This one? This one? Oh, this is the sun, man. This one? Saturn. The name of this planet is called Saturn. It is the sixth planet. And we can tell this planet is Saturn by its rings. By its what? Rings that is around the planet. The seventh planet is Uranus. Say it again. Uranus. The eighth planet is Neptune. What is the eighth planet? Neptune. It is the eighth planet away from the sun. So we can tell this planet is very cold. It is very cold. Now the last planet on the solar system, in the solar system, is a very small planet known as Pluto. What is the name of this planet? Pluto is a small planet. Some scientists don't even consider the planet. Do you know the class? So on some lists, you will see this have 8 planets. But when you write your test, I want to put 9. Okay? Because there are how many planets in the solar system? 9 planets. Okay. Now, we just talked about orbit. Now, the sun is located in the center of the solar system. All of these planets, they're called heavenly bodies. They go around. They go around the sun. Now, the farther you are away from the sun, the colder you are, because the sun is a source of heat in the solar system. Did you know that, class? Yes, it is also the source of light. revolution. They are revolving around the sun. What are they doing, class? Revolving. Can you see the planets revolving? This is how we get seasons. They are revolving around the sun. Now, interestingly enough, another orbiting takes place here. Another circumference. These planets, do you know that they turn on their own? Yes, the Earth turns on its own. How do you think we get day and night? Every time there's day, every time we are seeing the sun, it is day. And then the Earth turns, and it turns, and it turns, and what happens, class? We have night. That's where we see the moon. So day, we see the sun, and at night we see the moon. So the planet is turning. It is turning. It is turning. Night, day. So what happens to these planets? Not only are they going around the sun, they are also turning. They are also turning. This, when they are turning like this, when they're going around, this is known as rotation. Revolution is when they're going around the sun. Rotation is when they are excellent.
Class, so after star demonstration, I have a fun activity for you boys and girls. Do you like activities? Okay, I like activities as well. So, now I will distribute these fun activities to the respective group. And I hope you was paying keen attention to star demonstration because I want everyone to must get this activity correct. Boys and girls, I've seen the results and I've seen that you grasp the concept on the solar system.
Okay, boys and girls, now let's recap. Can anyone tell me what the solar system is? Yes, the solar system is the collection of how many planets? 9 planets. And what do they do? What do the planets do? Very good, they orbit around this is the what? Very good, they orbit around the sun. Can anyone tell me what's the farthest planet away from the sun? Yes, Jasmine? Very good, Pluto is the farthest planet away from the sun. Can anyone tell me the planet that has a ring around it? Very good, Saturn has the ring around it. And now, boys and girls, this is a very important question. Can anyone tell me which planet we live on? Very good, we live on planet. Yes, we live on planet Earth. And what is the hottest planet in the solar system? Excellent, Mercury. Have great boys and girls, man. And anyone can tell me what is the largest planet in the solar system? Very good, Jupiter. Now for homework, I want you to go home and draw the solar system for me and bring it tomorrow. Okay, boys and girls, have a good day.